Okay, this is my drill press converted to vertical lathe. Got an attachment here that will swing out of the way and back up in a position here if I want to do a vertical turning. Got a guide bar there. No cameraman. Okay. I took a bolt. It's hard to say. I took a bolt, drilled a hole, put a pin in it, and filed 6 edges on it. And then down below I just have I turned a 60-degree cone. I don't have any gouging tools yet. But here, just to see here where we've been going. Yeah, I need to have it closer. It's easily done. Anyway, I need a gouge, but you can see I'll be able to turn my handles. Well, there we go. There's my little drive. Can't get to focus. My drive. Doggone it. And there's the tail center.